Okay, let's go over how to connect your wallet and mint your Access token in Andamio. In this demo, we're going to be using the Eternl wallet. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is go to the Chrome store. This needs to be in a Chromium browser, so that's Google Chrome, Brave, and a couple other browsers, but you need to have access to the Chromium browser engine. But anyways, so you want to go to the Chrome Web Store, browse, search for Eternl. You can also search for other supported wallets like Lace and Nami, but we're going to be using Eternl. So you just click here. And here, instead of remove from Brave, it's going to say add to Brave. You just add it to Brave, and it's going to show up if you have a Brave browser like I have. It's going to show up in this icon here. You click it, and you can just pin it to your toolbar, so it's always visible here. If I click here, I'm gonna be able to see my wallet. It's in pre-production because that's the network that I'm using, but you probably are on mainnet, and I have funds. And most importantly, if I go here to my settings and I click on account settings and I click on collateral, I have collateral set. If you don't have collateral set, you need to set collateral. So you're going to do the same thing, collateral, except it's going to ask you to sign a transaction that's going to set collateral in your wallet. It's really easy. You just need to make sure that you have your collateral set, that you're in the right network, and that your dApp connector is enabled. So here you see the little green icon that says dApp when connecting to a dApp, etc., etc. If that's not enabled, you're going to get an error message saying that you need to enable it in order to connect to Andamio. You need to authorize your wallet to connect to Andamio. So once all those things are set, you need to click on Connect Wallet, click on the Eternl icon, excuse me. And then once your wallet is connected, you'll have your green synced with Andamio Networks sign, and on the bottom of the screen, you have that your wallet is connected, but your Access token is not connected, and you don't have an Access token alias. So we're going to get our Access token by clicking on the Mint Access Token button, and you're going to click on Get Access Token here. So I'm going to do, this is my Andamio Andamio Learner 2, sorry, I was thinking about the name. And I'm going to sign the transaction. Here, let me just get the password for this one. Here we go. Perfect. Sign the transaction. And once this transaction goes through, you're gonna notice that my Access token is connected is going to change to yes. And my Access token alias is going to be displayed here on the bottom, and that will give me access to all of the on-chain features for the learner, which is what the role that I'm doing right now, which means that I'll be able to enroll in courses, get credentials, and then that will get me the credentials to join projects, and that's all going to be recorded on-chain for me to be able to share with others that want to verify my skills and get rewards. So let's just wait for the transaction to go through. Sometimes it takes a second. It's not that it's stuck, it just needs a little bit of time, but it'll get there. Sometimes the pre-prod network especially is a bit slow. So yeah, on the main net, it's normally faster. I'm using pre-prod because that's a test network, and that way I can play around and do things without spending real ADA. So now if I refresh my screen, you'll see that my dashboard is active now, and I can see which courses are active, which ones I've completed, which projects are active for me, completed projects. If you have a subscription, you could go to your Andamio Studio and create courses and projects. Once you earn credentials, they'll show up here. If you join projects, once you have credentials that'll allow you to join projects, you can just click here, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Yeah, let us know if you have any questions. But that's it for now. Thank you.